Hello, dear children. We are going to read the lesson A Great Leader. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs. And yet, he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. Now, in this paragraph, we learn that Gandhiji did not use weapons to fight, weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs, because he did not like all those things. But other leaders, they used all these things to win the war. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. That means whatever he decided, he used to do it. That is man of iron will. If he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day, he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. So, once he decided that he is going to have his prayer, so lifelong he did not miss his prayer. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity, and non-violence. Non-violence means that is not hurting others. Okay, non-violence is not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple. Just a loincloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course, he could. But this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. Deliberate means knowingly he had done this choice for himself. How did he come to make this choice? Now, how did he choose this type of dress for him? There was an incident which took place which made him change his dressing style. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually, men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. So now, when he had gone to a lecture tour in Odisha, people used to gather in large numbers to listen to him. But here in Odisha, he did not see women attending the meeting. So he made an enquiry, and when he came to know that this part of the country, the people were very poor, and the women folk did not have proper clothes to wear, and that is why they did not come out of their house and they did not attend any functions or meetings. So Gandhiji was very hurt when he heard all these things, and this made Gandhiji change his style of dressing. He decided that he is going to wear only a loincloth and a shawl. So this was the barely minimum clothes, very less clothes. Minimum means less clothes. He decided to wear less clothes from that day onwards, whether it was cold, hot, or any season. Okay. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. Conference means a meeting where very important topics are discussed. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. Reception is a party and participants are those people who have come to attend the meeting. Palace is a very large big house. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. They had a dress code. At that time, England ruled over India. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way, even when visiting the King of England. He would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Now, for the meeting, the King of England had kept a dress code. So, the people of England were very eager to know whether Gandhiji would wear the dress decided by the king, or he is going to come in his same usual dress. So Gandhiji made it very clear that he is not going to change the style of his dress. And he was not bothered at all what type of dresses the British would wear. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Means he was dressed, his dress was very costly. He was wearing the clothes which were very costly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. Means somebody asked him that was he wearing enough clothes to meet the king. So Gandhiji said that the king was wearing enough clothes for both of them. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons. Destructive means harmful weapons. He had millions of staunch followers. Staunch followers means people who were firm and loyal to him. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. Satyagraha is the path of truth. He is remembered for his greatness, not only in India but in all parts of the world. Now, children, let us read the meanings. Iron will, strong determination. Conference, a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. Bothered, worried, extravagantly, in a way that cost a lot of money. Staunch followers, people who are firm and loyal in following him. Now let us do the exercise. Write the meaning of the following with the help of the passage. A man of iron will, you can see in the meaning itself, strong determination. A man with strong determination. Loincloth. Loincloth is a small piece of cloth which a person wears, wraps it around his hip. Non-violence is without hurting anyone. Now from the passage, find the bigger words that include the word given here. Means a word which is having this word in it. So loving, it is having lovingly. Lovingly is having the word loving. Now fashionable is having the word fashion in it. Women folk is having the word woman in it. Greatness is having the word great in it. Okay, children? Now you are going to read the lesson looking at the video and listening very carefully. Every pronunciation of the word should be proper. So practice reading. Thank you, dear children.
Good morning, everyone. We, the students of Standard 4B, present a small skit on Gandhiji's life. I am Harshita as the narrator. Master Tuleb is acting as Gandhiji, and Master Kushal is acting as a small boy. Gandhiji loved the people of our nation. Gandhiji's real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. People lovingly called him Bapuji. He is also the father of our nation. Children love visiting Gandhiji. Today, we will see a short story from the life of Gandhiji. A little boy was very upset looking at the way Gandhiji had dressed up. He went near him. Why don't you wear a kurta, Bapu?
That is the money, son. I am very poor. I can't afford a kurta.
My mother sews well. She makes all my clothes. I will ask her to sew a kurta for you.
How many kurtas can your mother make?
How many kurtas do you need? 1, 2, 3. She will make as many as you want.
Wouldn't be right for me to be the only one to wear a kurta.
How many kurtas do you need? I will ask my mother to make as many as you want. Just tell me how many you need.
I am a very large family, son. I have 40 crore brothers and sisters. Till every one of them has a kurta, how can I wear one? Tell me, can your mother make kurta for all of them?
At this question, the boy became very thoughtful. 40 crore brothers and sisters. Gandhiji was right. Till every one of them had a kurta. To wear, how could he wear one himself? After all, the whole nation was Gandhiji's family, and he was the head of that family. He was their friend, their companion.
Thank you.